Here we are in the Arcala in New South Wales. What a spectacular backdrop to start with. Have a go at that.
Video installation, amazing. Talking about spectacular backdrops, one of the most incredible things that we experienced while we were in Argentina was the El Calafate Glacier. The enormity and the scale of this glacier is just unbelievable. It was phenomenal.
We were lucky enough to see it from two angles. You can see it from the top, where most of the tourists do. And that's all right, but if you spend 30 minutes and you go down, you'll be away from everybody else. You've got birds, local birds chirping behind you. It's just great. And you get to see great big sheets of ice breaking off the glacier and falling into the lake, and it's just unbelievable. Then after that we went around and got on a boat.
Oh yeah, from the boat you thought it was huge from the top, but when you're in the boat, the scale and size just becomes, you feel very, very tiny.
A worthwhile experience if you
ever get the chance.
We're going to Argentina.
Patagonia, beautiful.
Patagonia, just lovely. Arcala, New South Wales, look.
This is the material of the ground. Always pay attention, be careful, because sometimes it could be a little bit slippery, and sometimes there is a little bit unbalanced, okay? So always watch your step and pay attention. Let's go, we will go to the map. Okay, every trail has a different color. So we will do all this way and we will get to the first balcony of the yellow trail. The yellow trail is the easiest trail of all the trails. So you have to do it because it's very easy, okay? And it's a round trail, but you will have enough time to do a little bit more, okay? I will give you my suggestion. We will go together to the first balcony of the yellow trail. Over here, you begin to hike, you begin to walk by the yellow trail, and over here there is a crossroad with the blue one. The blue trail is very easy too. So my suggestion is to do 1 or 2 balconies, okay? No more, because if you do all the blue trail, you will be very far away and lost. About 2 kilometers from here, okay? But 1 or 2 balconies, you will be a very good views of the north branch of Lake Argentina and the north face of the glacier. Okay? For summers, all this area moves faster. And sometimes, it's a natural process, sometimes you get on the ground. Over there, the peninsula. You get over the peninsula. So when that happens, it makes like some kind of ice dam. And it's not possible to flow the water from Brazo Rico to the iceberg branch. Okay? And that's the reason that it's not possible to see any vegetation closer to the other shore. Because when that happens, the level of Brazo Rico begins to increase. The last time was in 2018 and it increased for about 20 meters. That's the reason there is no vegetation over there. But it's possible to see vegetation closer to the shore over there, because the iceberg branch keeps the same level. Okay? So the glacier moves, advances, touches the peninsula, makes the ice.
Oh, wherever you want, darling. Yeah, a little bit further.
You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee, Sunday morning easy life.
So we are here at the Perito Moreno Glacier in Patagonia, near El Calafate. We are currently looking at we've swept from the northern face to the central face, and it's just amazing. We've seen several icebergs carve off the glacier already. It's just incredible, Mother Nature at work.
It's stunning, isn't it? Really is stunning. We're down here in the quiet section. All the rest of the tourists are at the top. So we've been very fortunate.
Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry. I go
Have a go at this. Where are we, darling?
Perito Moreno Glacier, El Calafate, Patagonia, Argentina.
It's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh.
And this is what we'll be on this afternoon on these boats. It's cruising by at the moment.
White hot angel with the daredevil's brain that's feeling just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you myself, you my east, you my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. There's love, we're still tonight.
There's people kayaking down there.
Yeah, you know how I like it.
That'd be a fabulous little adventure. Might come back tomorrow, darling, and go kayaking.
Bit of Perito Moreno Glacier action. It's pretty spectacular. Bright, sunny day.
So lucky.
Yeah,
Get it on a sunny day.
amazing. Whew.
You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. It's such a mix with a little hurricane. White hot angel with the daredevil's brain.
Darling, where are we?
On a boat, doing a little nautical safari to the Perito Moreno Glacier, the southern side.
It's absolutely gorgeous. And we're blessed to have all this sunshine. Come over here, have a look at the face of the glacier.
Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry. I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay. I'm in sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with the daredevil's brain that's feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you my south, you my east, you my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. There's love we just can't deny. You know all the ways I like it.
Jefflin's GoPro's run out of battery, but we're going to go back inside because we're just petrified we're going to drop something. I'm holding on to everything with grim death.
Like a drive in
So if you like this video, what should you do?
Darling, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.